Hi Annie, we got your email to, do some changes in your website. I saw that you want to upload some photographs, your past event photographs in the gallery and the new press release, right? So I'm creating this tutorial video just for you to use Beaver Builder and, the back end of the WordPress to do this type of stuff. So as I can see, you already uploaded all the photographs here in the media library of the WordPress. So let me show you how to upload, how to display those photographs on the gallery. Okay, so we just need to click on Beaver Builder in the gallery page. Okay, now if you want to create a new filter, then you can create a new group. Filter means this tabs. So like if you want to create a new group called Naples events, right? Now you need to select the photographs what you want to display there, right? So let's select multiple photographs together, like from here to here, right? So as you can see, all the photographs are selected. Now just click on add to gallery, okay, and update gallery. So as you can see, 110 photographs are selected. Now you just need to click on save, okay, and save again. Now you will see Naples events, okay, done and publish. Now refresh this page, okay, so all the photographs are here, okay. Now if you want to see only Naples events photograph, then just click here and you will get all the photos here. Easy and simple. Now if you want to add these photographs into the past events, then what you need to do, let me show you. Just edit this, go to the past event group and add photos, right? Now select the multiple photos from the media library, click on add to gallery button here, okay, and yeah, you are good. Just save that. It's easy. So I'm keeping this Naples events for now, okay. You can change that later, you can remove that as well. You just need to click here to remove that Naples event and add those photos to the past events. Now it's up to you, yeah, whatever you want to do, okay. Now let me show you how to publish the press release, okay. So for that you need to go to the backend and go to the post, okay, and click add new post. Oh, as I can see, you already created one. Let me go back just a minute. You already created one post here, Naples press release Naples, okay. So yeah, it's here, it's already here. So just publish it, okay. You need to click publish here and click launch Beaver Builder, right? Then text editor, okay, add media, select your PDF, here it is, insert into the post. It will automatically generate the shortcode to display your PDF here and just save it, okay. Now done and publish, okay, and then refresh. So as you can see, your PDF is here. You can switch to the page as well, okay. So yeah, please do that from your end as well. Try to do that and let me know if you find any difficulties to do this type of stuff. Also, to create some events online, I am testing the events plugin. So here you can create this type of events. Let me show you how it will look. It will look like this. Naples event, I added this date. I don't know the exact date, but I added this February, from February 13th to February 19th. Some description, the organizer, the details of the organizer, and organizer's website, sheridanroadfoundation.org. You can also add this event to the calendar as well. So yeah, this is a free version of the plugin, but if you want to do this type of stuff, then we have to buy the events calendar plugin. Let me show you. Yeah, this plugin. And I will share the link of this plugin as well with you. You can look into it and let us know. Okay, thank you so much.